Hi, wanna know how to insert microSD card in your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step, we would need to take two things. First one is of course the microSD card, and second one is this pin, which comes with this device. So, to insert microSD card, firstly we would need to just turn off our phone and then take a look on the left edge of our phone. Here you'd be able to find a SIM slot, which looks like this, and here we can also notice this little hole. So to open this slot, we would need to take this pin and insert it into this hole. And when you can feel that the pin is not going any deeper, you would need to push on it until you can see that the SIM slot has got out like this. Now, as a next step, we would need to take out the SIM slot with our nails. And this is it. We have successfully taken out the SIM slot. Here is it how it looks, and you can also see that I got here my SIM card. Now, as a next step, we would need to take our SD card and put it into this biggest slot that you can see out of this three, because only the biggest slot can fit this SD card. So let's put it into it. And this is it. Because this SIM slot is not fixing all of the cards properly, you need to be really careful with it and do not rotate it a lot, because the SD card can just fall off and you would need to put it back. So now, as the next step, we would need to insert the SIM slot back into your phone. And now we would need to just take our phone and put the SIM slot back on its place. You need to do it slowly, do not push, do not put any strength into it, do everything lightly and carefully. Now we would need to fully push it inside until it looks like it looked before and nothing is showing out. And this is basically it. We have successfully inserted our SD card, and we can also check it and see the notification that here we got our SD card. This is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.